calling Akasha Grand Hotel. This is Crystal speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to book a reservation. I'd like to ask if you have available rooms for March 15 to March 17.
Certainly, ma'am. May I know how many guests will be staying at what type of room do you prefer, ma'am?
There will be 2 adults and a deluxe room, please.
Yes, ma'am. We do have a deluxe room available for those dates. The rate is 3,500 per night, inclusive of breakfast for two. Would you like me to proceed with the reservation, ma'am?
Yes, please.
May I have your full name, please?
Giselle Ugay.
Thank you, Ms. Uday. May I also have your contact number and email address for confirmation?
0994 022 6146. And my email account is giselleugay@gmail.com.
Thank you, ma'am. Your reservation is confirmed for March 15 to March 17. Deluxe room for two adults. Check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is 12 noon. We require a valid ID upon arrival, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Is there anything else I can assist you, ma'am?
No, that's all.
Thank you for choosing Akasha Grand Hotel. Miss Ugay, we look forward to see you. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Okay. Toot.